You're welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm bringing something that will blow your mind. Something that will blow your mind. Did you know that using student productivity apps can increase your CGPA by over 20%? Student productivity apps. Now, when it comes to achieving academic success, having the right tools can make all the difference. And in today's digital world, it's easier than ever to find apps that can help you stay organized as a student, manage your time, and study more effectively. Now, as a student, you are probably no stranger to feeling overwhelmed with schoolwork and extracurricular activities. But what if I told you that there are apps that can help you to rise to the top of your class and achieve straight A's? Will you be surprised? So there are actually apps that can help you do a whole lot of work for you. There are apps that can do that for you. So in this video, I'll be bringing up some of those apps, those hidden apps nobody talks about, that can help you stay organized and make your straight A's. Now, one of the biggest challenges students face is managing their time effectively. Between classes, homework, socializing, doing their daily activity. Now, it is easy to get bogged down in tasks and lose focus on what's truly important. Now, another common struggle is staying organized. As students, a common struggle is staying organized. Now, with so many activities and deadlines to keep track of, it's easy to feel like you are drowning in the sea of paperwork. You are drowning in the sea of paperwork. And let's not forget about studying effectively. Now, it's one thing to read through your notes, but it's another thing entirely to absorb and retain the information. That's another thing. But what if you could find a way to overcome these challenges? What if you could find a way to overcome these challenges and achieve academic success? What if you had a set of tools that could help you stay on top of your workload, stay organized, and study more effectively? That's exactly what I want to explore in this video. I'll be exploring tools that will help you reduce your workload, help you stay organized, and study more effectively just with your phone. Some apps that you will be downloading after this video in your phone, and you'll see all the difference. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Alright, now I've gathered some list of apps that can help you achieve straight A's, and I'm excited to share them with you. But before we ride on into it, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and forward this video to whoever, because someone out there might need this information. Alright, let's move on. So whether you are in year 1, year 2, year 3, or whatever level you are in your academics, this can help you to achieve that which you want. So first of all, we have Evernote. That is one app there. Evernote is spelled Evenote, Evernote, and it is an incredible app for note taking. So it is a note-taking app that allows you to organize your thoughts and ideas across all your devices. You can go and check that up. Just go to Play Store and write Evernote. You see it there. Download the Evernote, and as you download the Evernote, you will see how the app works. It's user-friendly. Now that app will help you to stay organized, organize your notes, because most times what one challenge students face is they can't organize themselves. Their notes are not organized, and whatever notes can help you to do that. Now next, another one that can help you is Trello. 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 I know most of you are hearing this app for the first time. These are secret apps most top students use secretly. Alright, so Trello, Trello, is a project management tool. That helps you prioritize tasks and stay on top of deadlines. So Trello will help you to manage your project, your activities, and help you to prioritize tasks and stay on top of deadlines. Trello will do that. You can download it and check it out also. And for studying, to help you study, we have another one, we call another app called Quizlet. Quizlet, Quizlet, Quizlet. Quizlet is a powerful study aid that helps you to learn and retain information more effectively. I will like you to try out this Quizlet. So download the app Quizlet and you see how it works. It is also user friendly. So it's a powerful tool that helps you to learn and retain information more effectively. All right, moving on, there is one app that really stands out from the crowd. And this one is called Forest. Forest. Forest is a game changer for students who struggle with staying focused and avoiding distractions. Most students, they find it difficult to stay focused, they find it difficult to stay organized, they are very, very distracted. So if you are in that category, maybe one thing can distract you, another thing can distract you, Forest is what you need. Forest will help you to stay focused and organized. So with Forest, you can plant a visual tree. So the app, you plant a visual tree and the tree will be growing as you stay focused on your task. So in as much as you are focused on your task, the tree will be growing. So as the tree is growing, you are focused. Now, if you get distracted and leave the app, your tree will wither and die. So in order not for the tree to wither and die, you have to stay focused. So this one is always interesting because you'll be working with excitement. You will be seeing your tree growing as you're reading your book. Tree is growing. Once you're distracted, the tree begins to wither and die off. It means you've been distracted. So it's a simple yet effective way to stay motivated and avoid procrastination. Now, so many persons have used this Forest and it has worked for them. Please, if you're not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Now, these apps can be a total game changer for students who want to achieve straight A's. From staying organized to studying more effectively, these tools can help you to rise to the top of your class and achieve academic success. So which of these apps are you most excited to try out? Which of them? Try out this app now. Go and download them. Download Quizlet, download Forest, download all the apps I've mentioned so far and see how they work for you, and you come back and thank me later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your favorite study apps in the comments below. So comment your favorite study app. Maybe I didn't mention that. Comment it in the comments below. If you have a personal success story with one of these apps, I would love to hear about it also. And if you are new here, consider subscribing for more study tips.